Girl Chris Ladies here, also known as Curly Girl Chrissy, and I am back with another video. So as you can see from the title of this video, I'll be doing a Flexi Rod set using the horseshoe method. So basically, you grab a Flexi Rod and put it in half, and you put one part on this side and the other part on this side, right? If you guys haven't seen it yet. And basically you're not supposed to have as many flexi rods, and it's supposed to cut down the amount of flexi rods you put in your hair so they're more comfortable to sleep in. So yeah, because I'll be sleeping in these for the next 2 days, and yeah, hopefully it comes out good, because I usually like when I wrap my hair around, I like separating, like when I roll it around, I like leaving parts in between. But with this method, my hair's gotta be all stuck together, so it's gonna be more shrinkage than usual. So let's see how this turns out. I'm going in with the Miche Beauty, right? The Bounce Curl Defining Cream. Let me see if it focuses. So that's what I'm using. It says that it can be used, right, for twist outs, braid outs, wash and goes, flexi rod sets, and many more styles, right? This is my first time using it. They sent me a package. With their shampoo, their deep conditioner, their leave-in, the spray leave-in that goes along with this. And I have the leave-in already. I'll probably leave it in the shower, so I'm just gonna go straight into it, part my hair, and apply that. So I'm gonna stop talking now. All right guys, so I parted not the whole back, but I parted this part, right? I feel like these sections are too big. Hopefully they're not, but I'm just going to, this is going to be on one flexi rod and this is going to be on another. And I don't want to do this on super wet hair just because it's going to take forever to dry, right? So I'm going to go in, I'm going to apply the product. Oh, this product is so thick. Definition. I'm going to apply a little bit more on my ends, and now I'm going to brush it through. You want to make sure that your hair is fully detangled for a flexi rod set, just because when it comes time to separating, you don't want any knots or tangles to create frizz when it's time for you to separate. So make sure that you use a brush so your hair is fully detangled. And look at that. Now I'm going in with the flexi rod, right? I'm gonna bend it in half, make sure it's bent all the way. And I'm going to part this in half, right? So I'm going to place this right here. And I'm just going to wrap my hair. And then just bend it right where your hair ends, so it doesn't, like that, so it doesn't do that, okay? Alright, see how this is gonna turn out. And then I'm just going to put this the other way and just twist. I don't like this at all. And there you have it. It's coming out. All right, cool. That's what I got. No, this is not going. This is how they look. I don't know if you can tell from my face, I'm over it. It's 12:40. I started this around 11 o'clock, 11:10. Why is it 12:40? I'm over it. I don't know how these are gonna come out. The ones in the back are loose, and I don't feel like redoing them. I'm not redoing them, that's for sure. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do a quick turnaround, and then I'll come back to show you guys the finished results. I don't know if I'm gonna sit under a hooded dryer. I want to, but I'll let you guys know when I come back in like 2 days, and I'll let you guys know what I do. Hey guys, I'm back. So today's Saturday. I did my hair Thursday night, so now it's time to separate. I'm just gonna jump in. I'm using the main Magic 10-in-1 primer, right? I'm gonna spray it all over here, and then I'm gonna just take out the Flexi Rods. guys, for separating, you're going to apply oil to avoid frizz, and when you separate the curls, you want to make sure you separate where your curls want to separate. So don't force the separation, and then when you do separate, make sure you wrap the curl in the direction that it goes in. Yeah, I've said this before in my previous videos, but just repeating it just in case you're new. Hey guys, so I came back. I feel like it looked better with the side part. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. The only thing I hate is this right here is shrunken up more than this back here, so it's like weird lengths. Same thing on this side. But other than that, I like it. My hair wasn't completely dry, so if it's frizzy, it's because of that. So yeah, there's parts where it's a little bit frizzy because it wasn't completely dry. I sat under the hooded dryer for like 20 minutes, so it didn't really make a difference. Like sit under the hooded dryer with the Flexi rods in, because I wanted this to be a heatless Flexi rod. I didn't want to put any heat, so I wanted it to air dry, and my hair is super thick. So yeah, but it was only certain parts closer to my scalp that was still wet, which makes sense because that's where all the hair is bunched up and rolled up. So yeah, so if you like the way this came out, comment down below, right? If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like the video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.
When all is said and done, you believe God.